What if I told you that your performance doesn't improve overnight, but with the right exercises, it can dramatically improve over time? No expensive equipment, no gym membership, just proven movements that build strength, stamina, and confidence the smart way. If you're serious about long-term performance, stay with me, because these exercises actually work. Why long-term performance training matters. Most people want quick results, but real performance, whether it's physical stamina, endurance, or energy, comes from consistency. The body adapts over time. When you train the right muscles regularly, your strength improves, your control increases, and your confidence follows. Let us break down the top exercises that improve performance over time and why they are so effective. 1. Squats, the foundation of power. Squats are one of the most powerful exercises you can do. They strengthen your legs, glutes, core, lower back. These muscles are directly connected to overall body power and endurance. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up, then push back up. Why it works long term. Squats improve blood flow, muscle coordination, and stability. Over weeks, you'll notice better balance, more strength, and higher energy levels. 2. Planks, core strength and control. A strong core equals better control. Planks activate abs, lower back, shoulders, glutes. How to do it? Get into a push-up position, rest on your forearms, and hold your body in a straight line. Start with 20-30 seconds. Goal: work up to 1 to 2 minutes, long-term benefit. Planks improve posture, breathing efficiency, and body control. Key elements of lasting performance. 3. Lunges, balance and endurance. Lunges train each leg individually, which improves balance and coordination. How to do it? Step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees form a 90-degree angle, then push back up. Why lunges matter? They increase muscular endurance and stability, which translates into smoother, more controlled movement over time. 4. Kegel exercises, internal strength. Often overlooked, Kegels train internal muscles that play a major role in control and endurance. How to do it? Contract the muscles you would use to stop urination. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Do 10-15 reps, 2 to 3 times a day. Over time, these exercises help improve control, confidence, and muscle awareness, especially when done consistently. 5. Push-ups, total body performance. Push-ups are more than just chest exercises. They activate chest, arms, core, shoulders. Why they work? Push-ups build functional strength and improve stamina across the entire upper body. Start with what you can manage and increase reps gradually. Consistency is the real secret. Here's the truth. These exercises won't change your performance in one day, but after 30 to 60 days, the results are undeniable. Train 4 to 5 days a week. Focus on form, breathe properly, and most importantly, stay consistent. Real performance is built, not rushed. If you commit to these exercises, your strength, stamina, and confidence will improve over time. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more performance-focused training, and comment below if you want a daily routine or beginner plan. See you in the next one.